welcome or welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're my angel now, because I ain't playing with you, period. Okay, today is going to be an unpackage, unbox, or whatever video on my AliExpress hair. I always buy my hair from AliExpress. It came in a pink package like this. I already scratched my address out, so in case you was looking real hard, it's scratched out. Let's start opening it. I like the pink packaging. Hallelujah. Come in a big ass bag like these. And it comes with a wig cap. 26 inches of 613 body weave. And we ready to see how it's looking. We ready to see. Okay. Of course, it comes in a cafeteria lady helmet. I'm trying to see, do it stink or is it just a factory smell? You know what I'm saying? Like it's been in the basement for a hell of years. That's what it feels like. I mean, that's what it smells like. That's what it smells like. If my damn chinchilla don't act, you acting a damn fool. Nah. Stop it. Alright, so here is the lace. It's a 13 by 6. 13 by 6 lace. I think I'm gonna check for y'all though. And it has 2 combs. 1, 2, and what's going on here? Y'all see that? Oh, maybe I'm dripping. I'm dripping. Hello. I thought I saw like little specks of like gold or something, but actually this looks pretty damn good. That's how it's looking. Yeah, I don't know, the smell. One thing about AliExpress wigs, it's like the smell or something. Like I never got this smell from Amazon when they sent me wigs, unless they wanted me to do a good review. Ling Ling, you got me. I really like the length. Okay, so we'll see about this hair.